everybody, welcome back. I'm filming this on a Saturday. I don't know what day it'll get posted. But I'm actually committed to working both days this weekend. Got to make that money so I can afford these cards. But yeah, I'm going to take a little time out to open a couple of boxes for you guys. This is 2018 Leaf Metal All-American Perfect Game Classic. That is a mouthful. I have opened this for you guys not too long ago, and I did not do well at all. It says includes metal autos and patch autos. The patch autos are out of this world. I opened 2 boxes of this when it first hit the market, which actually wasn't that long ago, considering it's a 2018 product. It's a little strange that it just came out not too long ago. But anyway, I didn't do very well with everything except for the patch autos. The patch autos were just insane. I don't know if you guys remember the one that had, it was a quad and it had the little Nike swoosh and it had a piece of cap and pants, and it was just incredible. But other than that, my cards were not all that good. And I actually still have a lot of them at my eBay store if anybody's interested. Link below. But so you're like, why did you go back and do it again if I opened 2 and they were crap? The prices dropped. I caught this box on sale, on a pretty good sale. One of the places I buy from is Charm City. I think they're a smaller seller, so they tend to be more competitive with their prices. I think they have to battle a little bit harder for customers, and often you'll find boxes there $5 and $10 and even $10 less than the bigger competitors. So I'm not affiliated with them. This is not a sponsored post. I'm just telling you guys so you can maybe save a little bit of money if you're buying boxes. Alright, so I'll blab for 2 minutes. Let me open this, although it's going to be a quick break, so I guess it doesn't matter. 8 cards total, all autographed. There's some good names in this checklist. I just did not have any luck pulling any of those. I mean, it was bad. It was ugly. Go back and watch those videos. They're like pretty gnarly. I mean, I guess it wasn't terrible, but considering some of the great hits I've pulled out of Leaf products, it wasn't really good compared to those. Take these out. Alright. Do it like I want to do it. This first one, let me go ahead and cover that up. It's another one of those. It gives you a code for some of their promotional whatever, yada yada yada. Got several of those now. I've never used one. Alright, first card. Wes Scott, 1 out of 3. This is their paper base autograph. I recognize his autograph from some of the USA Baseball products because he only signs his initials. So that's it. Blue, 1 out of 3. K. Dowdy. This is a black, it looks like. 4 out of 15. A little bit better autograph there. Number 3 is Corbin Carroll. I think this is one of the base, shouldn't be, yeah, not numbered. Good looking cards. So you can't fault Leaf for their designs. Their cards look sweet. Let me not rephrase that. If you love chrome refractors and chrome cards, then you'll like these cards. If you don't, then you won't. Alright. Nathan Stevens, another base not numbered auto. And you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, and I said those boxes weren't that great, honestly, that's to be determined. These are really young players. Those boxes could have been incredible, depending on what these players do. There just weren't any really recognizable names or like hot prospects, but any of these guys could just blow up. I mean, you never know. Garrett Frechette. This is a blue out of 30. So yeah, I mean, you can't really judge these, you know, yet. You have to sit on this for a good while before you really know the value. All right, a Purple Wave Dawson. What does that say? Nets. That is 8 out of 8. Dawson Nets. Where are we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 2 more. I see a pink. It is Nasim Nunez. Nasim Nunez. Pink. It is 4 out of 20. And I've already peeked. I see the last one is a thick patch. Let's hope it's something pretty. Oh, it is. It's another quad. Look at that. Damone Hell Jr. Jersey, sock, cap, and pants. Number 2 out of 2. I absolutely love, love, love these quads. They are just... If this was like a card of one of your favorite players, this would be like one of the best cards in your collection. It's absolutely awesome. 2 out of 2. So, I mean, again, I'm not like a crazy prospector, so I don't recognize most of these guys. And to me, you know, that kind of means like, you know, it's not that exciting of a break because I don't really know these people very well. But still, like I said, you know, I probably shouldn't really judge it too quickly, because any of these guys could bust out and be the next Bryce Harper. You just don't know. All right, that's it. 2018 Leaf Perfect Game All-American, etc., etc., etc. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great day. I don't know if I'll post this on a weekend, so hope you, if it is a weekend, hope you have a great weekend. Everybody take care. See you again soon.